In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gemini shortcuts to home screen on Samsung Galaxy A16. Adding a Gemini shortcut to your home screen gives you instant access to the app with just one tap, and on the Galaxy A16 it takes only a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start on your home screen. Make sure you're not inside another app. Press and hold on an empty area of the home screen until the screen slightly zooms out and a customization menu appears. This long press is different from a quick tap. Keep your finger down for a second or two until you see options at the bottom of the screen. When the home screen edit mode appears, tap the widgets option. This opens the widgets panel, which is where Samsung keeps all the mini tools and shortcuts you can place on your home screen. It might take a second to load if it's your first time opening it. Next, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find Gemini. If Gemini is installed on your phone, you'll see it listed here. Tap on the Gemini entry to open its available widget or shortcut options. On many devices, you'll see a simple quick access shortcut that launches Gemini right away. Now tap Add. Your phone will place the Gemini shortcut on your home screen automatically. You'll usually see it land in the first open space available. If your home screen is full, the system may place it on the next available page. That's it. The shortcut is now ready to use. Tap it anytime to jump straight into Gemini without opening your app drawer or searching for it. This is especially helpful if you use Gemini frequently for quick prompts, summaries, or ideas. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If the long press doesn't bring up the widgets option, make sure you're pressing on an empty part of the home screen, not on an app icon. If you don't see Gemini in the widgets list, it typically means the app isn't available on your device yet or needs updating. Once it's available, it will appear in that list automatically. And the first time you open Gemini from the shortcut, you may see a brief setup screen. Just follow any on-screen guidance to finish. You've now added the Gemini shortcut to your Samsung Galaxy A16 home screen, ready whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the quicker access.